I was surrounded by my enemies, demons and giants alike, but I was also surrounded by my friends and allies, God's holy angels. In my haste to obey, my mind suddenly became clear. Fear ceased to exist. I simply was. I would do what I had to do or I would die trying. In a sudden whoosh, fire surrounded me, a holy sanctuary of fire. My long red hair blew back.
Can college student Melanie Bishop fulfill the call on her life? Her success is imperative to the fate of humankind as it is to her own. But the war has just begun. Get consumed by Sanctuary Fire, the third installment in the Deceiver saga from author R.J. Machado de Covel. Get The Deceiver and Broken Seed with Sanctuary Fire coming this fall. Available online at tapepublishing.com, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, and FamilyChristian.com.